Welcome back everyone to another episode of Shade TV. My name is Marissa Hill and today we'll be taking a look at an Air Jordan 1 Mid, and this is in the smoke gray colorway. Let's take a quick sneak peek. To another unboxing and review. If you're joining us for the first time, welcome in. Huge shout out to Jordan brand for sending these my way. Today we are going to be going over the smoke gray Air Jordan 1 Mid. If you have not already subscribed to the channel, be sure to do that down below and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy these unboxings and reviews. We'll start off by discussing the overview of these, jump into size and fit, followed by how I style this really classic looking color blocked sneaker. Then we'll conclude with how much these are going for on the retail market. Let's jump right into it. For those of you who are fans of just very simplistic color schemes, this is definitely a great option. I know that some of you are not huge fans of the mids, but sometimes, you know, these are just more readily available and sometimes they even come in better colorways. So as far as the upper goes, we do have smooth white leather on the toe box. On the upper, we've got that nice light smoke gray tone, and then we've got black laces with a gray nylon tongue and some more black accents behind the Jumpman and Air logo. Let's take a look at those details, then move along to the side paneling. Wrapping around to the side panels, this is where we're getting some smooth white leather, some overlays of black hits the leather on the swoosh mark, and then as we wrap around to the lateral side, that's where we're getting the black wings logo with the same color blocking effect. The interior has a gray and black insole, and then the collar is in a nice kind of sheen black hue for the interior collar. Then it's completed with a white midsole and that nice smoke gray outsole. Let's take a look at all of those last and additional final details. Now let's talk about size and fit on these. So all of my Air Jordan 1 silhouettes, mid, low, highs, I've just been going half a size up, and I feel like in this specific mid silhouette, it fits me perfectly. Now let's talk about how I styled this nice color block sneaker. So as far as the colorway goes, this is a very easy to style color with the gray, black, and white tones. For the first look, I wanted to keep it pretty monochromatic with a white button down top. I tucked that into some white cargo pants. the second look, I decided to wear a gray crew neck with some nice simple black leggings. Last and final look, decided to go with a gray sleeveless vest and some nice navy blue wide leg pants with some nice gray trim. All right, as far as the retail goes, these retailed at $125. So I do think if you're somebody who's just getting into sneakers and you're looking for a great, good colorway to start with, this is definitely a great color combination. All right, that is it for this unboxing and review. If you joined us for the first time, thank you so much. Be sure to hit that subscribe on your way out and give this video a thumbs up. My name is Marissa Hill. This is ShadeTV. We will catch you all next episode.